We are pleased to show you the 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.